Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm showing you something a lot of you have been waiting for. The latest Lords Mobile mod that's finally working on both Android and iOS devices. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. It really helps out. So, this version of Lords Mobile has a built-in mod menu that you can access by tapping the gear icon. Once you're inside the menu, you'll see all the features available. But the main one is the ability to instantly add unlimited gems to your account. This only works if you're running the latest version of Lords Mobile, so make sure your game is up to date before trying this out. In just a second, you'll see how the gems are added directly through the mod menu. It's fast, simple, and super effective. There are also other options in the menu to tweak different parts of the game, giving you more control and helping you progress much faster. If you're wondering how to get this working on your device, just check the top comment. I've explained exactly how you can set everything up. If it works for you, let me know in the comments. I read all of them. And please subscribe if you want more updates like this. Thanks for watching. You can get this mod at appheaven.top.